It's with great gratitude for the tireless and innovative work of every Apple team member worldwide that I share the results of a very strong quarter for Apple. We achieved an all-time revenue record of $111.4 billion. We saw strong double-digit growth across every product category, and we achieved all-time revenue records in each of our geographic segments. We hit a new high water mark for our installed base of active devices, with growth accelerating as we passed 1.65 billion devices worldwide during the December quarter. iPhone grew by 17% year over year, driven by strong demand for the iPhone 12 family, and our active installed base of iPhones is now over 1 billion. Wearables, home, and accessories grew by 30% year over year, driven by significant holiday demand for the latest Apple Watch, our entire AirPods lineup, including the new AirPods Max, as well as the new HomePod Mini. This broad strength across the category led to new revenue records for each of its three subgroups, and we're very excited about the road ahead for these products. But this year was unique. We had a record number of device activations during the last week of the quarter. And as COVID-19 kept us apart, we saw the highest volume of FaceTime calls ever this Christmas. Finally, we're committing $35 million across two investments in Harlem Capital and the Clear Vision Impact Fund that support, accelerate, and grow minority-owned businesses in areas of great potential and need. In December, we concluded an unmatched year of giving. Since the inception of the Apple Giving Program in 2011, Apple employees have donated nearly $600 million and volunteered more than 1.6 million hours to over 34,000 organizations of every stripe.
Thank you, Tim. Good afternoon, everyone. We started our fiscal 2021 with exceptional business and financial performance during the December quarter, as we set all-time records for revenue, operating income, net income, earnings per share, and operating cash flow. Net income, diluted earnings per share, and operating cash flow were all-time records. Net income was $28.8 billion, up $6.5 billion, or 29% over last year. Diluted earnings per share were $1.68, up 35% over last year, and operating cash flow was $38.8 billion, an improvement of $8.2 billion. One example is how businesses are handling the hundreds of millions of office desk phones while more employees are working remotely. Last quarter, Mitsubishi UFJ Bank, one of the largest banks in the world, announced that it will be replacing 75% of its fixed phones with iPhones. By doing so, it expects to realize significant cost savings while providing a secure mobile platform to employees. We're also pleased with the rapid adoption of the Mac Employee Choice program among the world's leading businesses who are seeing improved productivity, increased employee satisfaction, and talent retention. Let me now turn to our cash position. We ended the quarter with almost $196 billion in cash plus marketable securities and retired $1 billion of maturing debt, leaving us with total debt of $112 billion. As a result, net cash was $84 billion at the end of the quarter. We returned over $30 billion to shareholders during the December quarter, including $3.6 billion in dividends and equivalents and $24 billion through open market repurchases of 200 million Apple shares, as we continue on our path to reaching a net cash neutral position over time.